Hey, what's up, guys? I'm your host Vital and you're watching Game Simulation channel. Today I will show you that how you can make this simple, easy sugarcane farm, and this will give you a lot of amount of sugarcane very few time. So let's begin. See, I have made a little much platform for it. For that you have to dig 2 blocks in depth, and from here you have to go till the length of 12 blocks, and from here also you have to go till the length of 12 blocks. So what you have to do, that take some chests and put them here. Now take your hopper and connect them, this. So you have to connect each and every hopper to the chest so that anything will fall into it will go into the chest. Now take a water bucket and pour it over the hopper. This will not affect the hoppers. Now just take your any building block and just put it. Now again take water and dig one hole here, pour water in it. Now behind it also you have to pour water. Now take some sugarcane, and put it here. The water will help it to grow faster and faster. Now take some building blocks and put it like this as I am showing you. Now take at least 12 pistons facing to us. So you need around 12 to 15 pistons and observers. And now you want 12 to 15 redstone also. Now place the observer that the red dot on the observer should face us. And the face of the observer should face the sugarcane side. Now connect every observer with the redstone. To verify if it is working or not, you just take a block and put it on the face of the observer. Yes, all the pistons are working together. Now you have to take these blocks and put it here like this. Now you can take some glass. Also I am taking the green glass, but you can also use the white stained glass just to decorate it. Now your farm of sugar cane is ready. Now you can do a AFK. In this, to check the farm is ready or not, just you have to go in the chat box and write slash game rule random tick speed to 800. See how fast your bamboo is going. See, once it will come in front of the observer will give the command to the piston to the redstone, and your piston will throw the sugarcane in the water, and the water have the hopper, and the hopper are connected to the chest. So you can see now also we have got 42, 45. We are getting the sugarcane so fast. I think I have done the AFK for just 1 to 2 minutes only. Now let's get back to the normal speed. Game rule random tick speed to 3, which is the normal. So let's check how much sugarcane have we got. See, we have got around 2 stacks of sugarcane, which is a lot of sugarcane. You can create your sugar also. You can create your pages for maps and anything. So I hope you have liked the video. So please subscribe my channel too, so that I can bring you more and more videos of easy and interesting farms.